with your take on the market and all of these individual pockets as well. With that, let's move on and talk about what's going on in the commodity space, because Manisha is with us, and today she's going to tell us about something that's actually benefiting from all of this turmoil that we've seen in the global market.
Oh, well, absolutely. And that is gold, where we are looking at an all-time highs in the Indian markets today. And not just India, gold is trading at an all-time highs in India, in Australia, and UK as well. And in the US markets, we are trading at an 11-month highs here. We did see gold prices go all the way to 1995 on the higher side, so not too far away from that 2000 mark. But the Indian markets clearly trading at all-time highs right now, where we have seen prices go to a 59,500 above kind of levels, so not too far away from that 60,000 levels there. Well, the run-up has come in on the fact of the weakness in US dollar index, and we also are looking at the banking concerns that continues to support the prices. If you look at the gold prices itself, we are up by nearly 5.5% in the previous week, and with that addition, it nearly is 7.5% of gains coming in for the gold prices for the month of March as well. Well, what the markets are looking at is the bank term funding program, which is expected to add $2 trillion of liquidity in the international markets. That clearly has been supportive for overall metals and more so for gold and silver there. Also, the weakness in US dollar, the recent bank contagion is what is bothering the markets. The US Fed policy on 22nd of March, the markets are anticipating that either you're looking at 25 basis point of a rate hike, and the probability of that is nearly 80%. That seems to be comforting the gold bulls as well. And not just the US Fed, you have various global central banks meetings coming in for this week. For example, you have Bank of England, Swiss National Bank and Norges Bank. That is the monetary policy meetings this week. Apart from that, you also have the inflation data coming in, and that's coming in from Japan, UK and Canada. You also have PMI numbers coming in this week, and that also comes in from US, Japan, UK, Eurozone, Germany, France, all of those countries. You also are looking at the silver prices trading at a 10-month highs. So whether you look at precious metals, it's gold, silver, platinum, almost everything is trading in the positive there. I also want to tell you on what we've done in sense of range when you look at the gold prices. Last year, we did see 2,052 of a high. This year, we did see a low of 1,810, and from those kind of lows, we've seen nearly $200 of a jump up. On a month-on-month basis, when you look at the report card for gold for this year, January started quite strong, Feb gave up all those gains, and March has regained all of that and much more. So not too far away from $2,000 for the international markets.
Okay, Manisha, thank you very much for that. Getting very, very